Welcome to Doba tutorial. In a previous video, we've talked about products connections. Why and how should you set up connections between the products in your store and the ones on Doba. In this video, we'll tell you how to add connections in bulk using an Excel template. Log into Doba, and go to the connection page. Click Import Connections. Then click Download Excel template. After the template is downloaded, find and open it. Please fill in these 5 columns. You may click on this sheet to read the instructions carefully. Then let's go back to the first sheet. First, enter your store's platform and name. Then it's time to find the products both on Doba and in your store. Open them in new web pages. First, copy the SKU number and product name from your store, and paste them here. Then, copy the item number on Doba, and paste it here. Then one entry is completed. Repeat the process, and you may add up to 300 entries at once. And please don't change the original format of the template. And add your entries one row by one row, and don't leave blank rows between them. After you add all the products, please save and close the file. Next, return to Doba, click Import Connections. Then click Upload. Locate the file, select it and click Open. Then click the Confirm button. Wait for a while, you will see the result. Click Check Connections to finish. Here you will see the connections you just imported. If something is wrong with a connection, just click here to edit it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this tutorial video, please subscribe for more.